add shaping to any brioche project with these simple decreases.
To work a left-leaning brioche double decrease, the next stitch on the needle is a knit stitch, which means we've just worked a slipped purl with a yarn over. To begin the decrease, we're going to slip the knit stitch yarn over pair knitwise onto the right-hand needle. Then, we're going to knit the next purl stitch and knit stitch yarn over pair together by going through all 3 loops at once. Finally, take the knit stitch yarn over pair that we just slipped in the first step and pass them over the decreased stitches, leaving just 1 stitch on the needle. Again, a left-leaning brioche double decrease, we're starting with a pair of stitches, a knit and a yarn over that we're going to slip knitwise to the right-hand needle. Next, we're going to knit the next 3 stitches together. That means we're inserting the needle through the next knit, yarn over, and purl stitches at once. Lastly, we're slipping the 2 stitches we originally slipped over the newly decreased stitch, leaving 1 stitch on the needle. We'll be working a right-leaning brioche double decrease. Starting with the next knit yarn over stitch pair, slip these stitches knitwise to the right-hand needle. Knit the next stitch, which would ordinarily be a slipped stitch. Pass the knit yarn over stitch pair we slipped a moment ago over the knit stitch. Next, we're going to pass the following knit yarn over stitch pair over the stitch we just knit. First, slip the stitch back to the left-hand needle and pass the following knit yarn over pair over that stitch and return your single stitch back to the right-hand needle. Again, slip the next 2 stitches knitwise to the right-hand needle. Knit the next stitch, which would normally have been a slipped stitch. Pass the slipped stitches back over it. Move this stitch back to the left needle, then pass the next knit yarn over stitch pair over that stitch and return it to the right-hand needle.